Do you want to make beats for NARDO WICK that sound like this? You're right where you need to be. In this video I'm gonna show you how. First thing first, let's grab a vocal sample of Splice or Looperman, doesn't really matter. I chose Looperman because I found like two really nice vocal samples there. For effects on the vocal I used RC20 for a vintage color, some EQ for highs and lows, shaper box with these three presets, a volume automation, a filter one and a panning one, Valhalla vintage for reverb like 20% and a delay. This is how the vocal sounds after processing. You'll see later how it all sounds. Next up, piano. Stop using the boring old piano, like spice it up a little. Spice it up a little more. Yeah, this is exactly what I'm looking for. This is trash.
Hold on a minute.
Let's apply some effects on it. This is what I'm talking about, this is much better. Now for effects we have halftime EQ cutting some lows and highs, RC20 for the vintage color. Next up is the bell. This is how the bell sounds before processing. I have the same effects on it as the piano, except for the last one, which is Echo Boy for the delay. Next up I'm routing the bell through a bus which has Portal on it. With this effect, this is how the bell sounds after processing. This is how the melody sounds. I've added a violin for some dramatic effect. I love how it sounds. You don't really have to add a violin. Some accents for texture. Whatever texture you have, it's good. Now let's do the drums. This is the first 808 pattern. This is the second 808 pattern. And this is the final beat. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Andrew. If you liked the video, if you learned something from it, please give a subscribe, give it a like, whatever. Alright, I'm out.
Andrew, please shut the fuck up.